Welcome to the demonstration of PaymentConnect Sites terminals. PaymentConnect is 100% completely native to Salesforce. Listed on the Salesforce App Exchange as an Aloha application means it will not count towards your system limits for objects, tabs, or applications. PaymentConnect operates from your Salesforce account and integrates your payment gateway account. At no time does Linvio participate in the transaction, and there is no Linvio server or Linvio separate platform for you to manage your transactions. PaymentConnect allows you to turn your Salesforce account into a true e-commerce platform. How? In part by using our pre-built Force.com Sites payment terminals to add payment processing to Visualforce workflows, both as part of our standard solutions like Mini-Store, Events Management, and Quotes and Invoices, or as part of our custom sites workflow to manage student applications, travel reservations, or association memberships. PaymentConnect Visualforce terminals can be used to accept payments through a public-facing Force.com website hosted from your Salesforce account. Each site's terminal supports a specific type of checkout, subscription, or one-time payment, for example. Implementations using sites templates, parameter passing, and workflow automation can be integrated with PaymentConnect. The demonstration we're about to see, the payment gateways that are best supported include PayPal Website Payments Pro, Authorize.net, and eWay. We can also redirect to Google Checkout and RBS WorldPay. The example that sits in front of us is our SiteCheckout page hosted from your Salesforce account. PYMT under SiteCheckout is the name of our terminal, and in this circumstance Veronica Miller is being asked to pay a monthly fee for the online data backup service from her previous demo of $49.99. She's being asked to input her credit card credentials. At no point is this data being written to Salesforce. This information is being sent to the payment gateway in terms of an API. In this particular circumstance, the payment gateway that we're using is PayPal. So the customer who's entering their credit card information is not aware that our payment gateway is PayPal or Authorize.net. Back in Salesforce on the Enterprise Edition, this is the payment detail record of the scheduled transaction for which this online checkout is referencing. And notice our payment processor is PayPal, $49.99 for Veronica Miller. Now I have another payment record that is scheduled, and I can send a similar, but in this case I'm using Authorize.net. And as you might expect, it could look like this checkout page where I'm asking for the payment credit card details on the Force.com platform. However, back here I can tell it in the processor connections that my SiteCheckout, instead of being native to Salesforce, I want to redirect to Authorize.net. And in doing so, we end up here. The form looks like this. Instead of having the credit card credentials, the form simply states that you're paying for a tennis trip, $1,675, checkout with Authorize.net. We redirect off the Salesforce platform onto the Authorize.net platform. And of course, I can redirect not only to Authorize.net, but I can redirect to PayPal, redirect to Google Checkout, RBS WorldPay, as well as eWay. In terms of how to use this with a site's workflow, in this particular example, we'll register for a seminar facilitating learning through storytelling. When I register for the event, I'm on the Force.com platform, Visualforce page, being asked to enter my credentials. And in this moment, Salesforce is going to insert the data into my Salesforce database, and now it's landed me on my checkout page where it's asking me for the $325. Submit the payment through the API, and I'm given a successful transaction. So now when I go back into Salesforce, look at my payments, and we'll look at today's payments. Facilitating registration, there he is, Perry Walton. Here's my transaction ID from Authorize.net. It's integrated with Perry Walt in the contacts. It's also integrated with the event main object. Please join us for other presentations of PaymentConnect. Thank you for your attention and your consideration. Have a nice day.